I know what happened. Sunday, May the 4th, Donald J. Trump makes two seemingly nonsensical announcements. At 6:55 and 7:18 p.m. respectively. Number one, he's reopening Alcatraz. Number two, Hollywood's getting tariffs. Two seemingly out of the blue proclamations. But were they really? Were they really? See, the key to understanding these lies, a mere 14 minutes earlier, in a post about Howard, alias Howie Kurtz. Who is this mysterious Howard, alias Howie Kurtz? He is a Fox News host, a morning show called Media Buzz, which airs at 11 a.m. every Sunday. The facts are these. On this day, Donald Trump spent most of his time in three locations. Number one, his Palm Beach club. Number two, Mar-a-Lago. Number three, in the air, flying to a base somewhere. Now, thanks to his meticulous truthing throughout the day, we can put together a timeline mapping his mental state. 6:41, while he was in the air, Donald J. Trump truths two things. The first I'll get to, but the second is about alias Howie. And despite what you may think Donald Trump might have to say about a Fox News host, he is not happy. Why? Well, because he claims that Howard, alias Howie, shared too many clips of other news personalities from networks such as CNN and MSDNC and didn't defend him strongly enough. The key here to focus on are the unfavorable clips, because this seems to have prompted a part of his day that has not yet been talked about enough, and that is this period right here, going from 1:13 p.m. to 1:28 p.m., where Donald Trump truthed 6 times total, sharing various clips of coverage on him, along with his own commentary from several different sources. That includes 1:13 p.m. ABC, 1:16 p.m. Fox, 1:18 p.m. NBC, 1:19 p.m. NBC, 1:25 NBC, and 1:28 NBC. 6 times total. Included a final 7th at 2:52 p.m. with a clip from Fox News. But how does this explain Alcatraz in Hollywood, you say? I'm glad you asked. We can track his emotional state during these prime sundowning hours, if I do say so myself. All prompted by the promotion of a very favorable book about him. That's good, right? Well, it seems that this positive coverage and possibly a little too much free time on his hands immediately led from euphoria to a crash. Because within that same minute is when he attacks Howard, alias Howie. So now we know where his mind is. It's right here, that 11 a.m. hour. But what else do we know about that hour? Well, ladies and gentlemen, on a local Miami channel, WLRN, a movie was beginning. Yes, that's right. The 1979 seminal classic, Escape from Alcatraz. At a total runtime of 112 minutes plus ads, that film would have played until, that's right, just around 1 p.m., maybe a little bit later. So is it possible that being so upset by what he saw on Media Buzz that Donald Trump changed the channel to a local affiliate? I think so. And is it also possible that in switching that channel, he was able to feel better? I think I would. This window, of course, gives him just enough time to gather these clips and share them with the world to refute what Howard, alias Howie, had to say about him. So now, in this evening, reminded of the trauma, is it possible that his mind, seeking to self-soothe, took comfort in its last known refuge, Alcatraz? And what is the 1979 seminal classic, Escape from Alcatraz, if not a Hollywood in its heyday red-blooded American tale starring none other than Clint Eastwood himself? bringing us to We're Saving Hollywood. I almost forgot the most important thing we learned today. WLRN, that tiny local channel where Trump seeks refuge when Fox News makes him sad, is an NPR and PBS affiliate.